Well, John's place has had a significant change here since his death 2 years ago of COVID. Well, the extension here, big extension. Sadly, John died rather suddenly. A lot of work going on here. I presume it's the house has been sold, but reasonable sized garden here. Well, ongoing works here. Sadly, John is no longer with us. Bit damp up there, looks like possibly a family. Big extension on the property. Original house was to here. You can see what they've done here. Ripped all the kitchen out, probably the dining room. Touch of refurbishment. I think the lounge is probably down there. Well, there we are. A lot of work going on here in the last, what, 12 months or so. Probably a bit less. Scaffold and everything here. I'll say possibly family here. Sadly, John is no longer with us. Lived here with his sister for many years. Well, I know he kept some people's possession for them, but I'm not sure what happened to them in the end. The number of sheds he had here, nobody really knew about. Quite a private man. Possibly somebody else's effects there. Nice greenhouse. Backs onto another wall there. Spectre's sister was into gardening. She got very ill, I do know. Sadly died a couple of years before John, if not a bit less. A reasonably generous garden size here. And John didn't spend much time out here, seeing to attending his sister. And sadly, he was always busy doing something else, serving or having to do something in the community, or sort out previous problems, solicitors and everything else. Some people's lives are consumed by these sort of things. Some of us have these problems which never seem to get resolved. If people treated each other as they want to be treated, perhaps they'd do the right thing and get things resolved amicably. Well, this is the state of play at the moment of the property.